In today's class, the pink China rose, the pink geraniums and the orange geraniums are eagerly waiting to welcome you. Indeed, these flowers have come to help us in finding out whether these substances are acidic or basic, and we are using the indicators made from these flowers. So let us learn how to make indicators from these flowers. For making the indicators from these flowers, we need to heat the water and drop these flowers into the water and allow them to rest for at least 2 to 3 hours. And when we allow the flowers to drop in water and rest in the warm water for at least 2 to 3 hours, we find that the color of the water changes, and in case of the China rose, the color of the water becomes like this. In case of geraniums, pink geraniums, the color is like this, and in case of orange geraniums also, the color is almost similar to that of the pink geraniums. And to extract the solution, what we need to do? We can either use the spoon to remove the flower petals like this, if the petals are bigger, we may remove it with the help of spoon itself. And if the petals are bigger, we may use a strainer to remove. So, we may use a strainer to remove the solution. You may see we have got this solution in this glass. Another we can get into this. So, you may notice here that the color of the pink geraniums or the orange geraniums are almost similar. Now we start our experiment. So, we are starting our experiment with hydrochloric acid. This is hydrochloric acid and I have taken 3 samples of it. The reason for taking 3 samples is that we have 3 indicators here. So, now we start our activity by adding the China rose solution to the hydrochloric acid. When we do this, I have kept a glass for it so that if it falls, it will fall into the glass itself. You may notice what happens to this solution. We will allow it for some time. Another also we will add. Now, we will add the geranium solution. Do you find one similarity in all these? You may notice that all the three solutions have become lighter pink. So when acids are added to China rose solution or geranium solution, the color has become light pink. Now we will try it with bases. I have these bases. This is baking soda solution and I need to take 3 samples of it. So first of all, let me add China rose solution to it. When I am adding the China rose solution, you may notice the change in color. Do you see? The color has become yellowish green. Now I will add the geranium solution to this. Do you notice there is some change in color and the color has become very light green? Another geranium solution I will add to this. You may note down the change in color. So if you see these, this is the effect of China rose on baking soda solution. This is the effect of, and these are the effect of geraniums. You may notice that the color has started to become yellowish green when these solutions are added to baking soda solution. Now we will take another acid and this acid is lemon juice. So this is our lemon juice. To this lemon juice I am going to add the China rose solution. Allowing it to rest. Then adding geranium solution. You may note down the change in color. Another geranium solution I am adding. You may note down the change in color. So when I am adding okay, some more I would like to add. So when the China rose and geraniums have been added to lemon juice, you may find the color has become magenta and it is in the shades of red. So we may put it. Now I am going to use the detergent solution and going to test with the 3 given indicators. So first of all, let me add China rose solution to the soap solution, to the detergent solution. You may notice the change in color. To another soap solution, I am going to add geranium solution. And to this soap solution, I am going to add another geranium solution. We may use a spoon to stir. You may notice here that when either the China rose solution or geranium solution is added to a base like a detergent solution, the color has become into the shade of green. So we may sum up our experiment as when acids are added to China rose indicator or geranium indicator, we get the color in the shades of red. Different shades of red we have got by using the different geranium solutions or China rose solution, and when we are adding bases to these indicators of China rose and geraniums, we get the shades of yellowish green. So, thank you for watching. We may document our observations in this tabular form. For the acids like lemon juice and hydrochloric acid, the color comes in the shades of pink, like it comes in the shades of reddish pink. You may see these are the observations for acids, and in case of bases, color comes in the form of yellowish green. So, for sodium bicarbonate and detergent solution, the color is yellowish green in all the cases, and for the acids like lemon juice and hydrochloric acid, the color is in the shades of pink. Thank you.